Saputara, the star location of Gujarat. The Ambika River turning, meandering gracefully like a snake. The jungle trails, the deer and the birds. Was it for the love of these forests that Lord Ram chose to spend 14 years of his exile here? These tribal people are the real masters of this land, with their famous Varli painting, their distinct music and their cuisine. I don't think they're about to let me go before I dine with them. Breathe in this tribal culture, this indigenous way of life, the harmony between man and nature. Breathe in a bit of Gujarat.